Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're taking a look at the top 5 best RC boats for kids for small lakes and pools in 2026. Fast, fun, and affordable. After extensive research across multiple websites, I've put together a list of options designed to suit different types of buyers. Whether you're looking for affordability, performance, or a specific type of water activity, this list is here to help you find the right option. For more details about each product, I've included links in the description below. Please keep in mind that this is not a product review, but rather a product showcase designed to help you discover some of the most interesting RC boats available. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more RC content. Number 5. Looking for an RC toy that can handle both land and water? The MaxTronic Amphibious RC car is one of the most versatile options for kids in 2026. What makes it stand out is its fully waterproof amphibious design. This four-wheel drive stunt crawler can drive across grass, sand, rocks, pavement, and even move through water, making it a great choice for outdoor adventures around pools, ponds, and small lakes. It can reach speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour, while the four-wheel drive system and upgraded wheels provide better traction across different surfaces. But speed isn't the main attraction. The MaxTronic is built for stunts. Its protective cage allows the car to perform 360-degree flips, spins, and turns, while colorful LED lights make it even more exciting during evening play. For younger kids, the controls are another big advantage. The 2.4 GHz remote has a simplified layout and up to around 50 meters of control range, making it easier for beginners to learn and allowing multiple RC vehicles to play together with less interference. The built-in 3.7-volt, 600 mAh rechargeable battery charges directly through USB-C, making recharging simple and convenient. Overall, the MaxTronic is less like a traditional RC boat and more like an all-terrain amphibious stunt machine, perfect for kids who want one toy that delivers action on both land and water. Just remember, although the vehicle is waterproof, the remote controller is not, so younger children should always be supervised around water. Number 4. If you want an RC boat that combines speed, safety, and easy handling, the UDI 023 is a very interesting choice for kids and adults in 2026. This boat can reach speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour, giving it plenty of excitement for racing across swimming pools, small lakes, and calm outdoor water. One of its biggest advantages is the jet pump propulsion system. Instead of using a traditional exposed propeller, the UDI 023 uses a hidden propulsion system, making it better suited for shallow water and helping reduce the risk of the propeller getting tangled with underwater obstacles. Another great feature is the self-righting design. If the boat flips over during a race or sharp turn, you can activate the recovery function and quickly get it back into the correct position without having to retrieve it from the water. The UDI 023 also comes with a water-cooled brushed motor. Water is automatically circulated to help control motor temperature, which can be especially useful during repeated runs. For nighttime fun, the boat features controllable LED navigation and taillights. The 2.4 GHz remote also supports multiple boats racing at the same time, while a low battery alarm helps warn you before the boat loses power. The included 2000 mAh batteries provide around 10 minutes of running time, so extra batteries may be worth considering for longer sessions. Overall, the UDI 023 is a strong number 4 pick for anyone looking for a fast, responsive, and feature-packed RC boat that delivers plenty of fun without sacrificing control and safety. Number 3. If speed is what you're looking for, this 12-inch high-speed RC boat takes things to another level. With a top speed of more than 40 kilometers per hour, this is one of the fastest options on our list, delivering an exciting racing experience on pools, lakes, and calm seawater. Its streamlined hull is designed to reduce water and wind resistance, helping the boat stay fast and stable, even when you're pushing it hard. Underneath, a powerful 390 motor works with a turbine jet drive and water cooling system to provide strong propulsion while helping control the motor temperature during operation. The enclosed propulsion design also offers extra protection when navigating shallow water. One of the most useful features is the one-button self-righting system. If the boat flips over, simply press the reset button, and it can automatically return to the correct position, getting you back into the action quickly. The 2000 mAh battery provides around 15 minutes of runtime, while the remote offers an impressive control range of up to 150 meters. Low battery and out-of-range alerts also help you stay in control. LED navigation lights add extra visibility for evening sessions, and the double-sealed hatch helps protect the electronics from water. With a 2.4 GHz remote system, multiple boats can also race together without the usual signal interference. Overall, this is a fantastic number 3 choice for anyone who wants serious speed, strong control, and exciting racing performance in a compact RC boat. Number 2. When you want an RC boat that delivers both serious performance and plenty of time on the water, the Svertibo TX725 is an impressive choice. This high-speed jet boat can reach speeds of over 30 km per hour, giving you plenty of excitement whether you're racing across a pool, pond, or open water. One of its biggest advantages is the hidden jet propulsion system. The enclosed propeller design helps reduce the risk of getting tangled in weeds or debris, making it better suited for shallow water environments. The boat is powered by a high-performance motor with an integrated water cooling system, helping maintain stable performance during longer sessions. Control is another major strength. The 2.4 GHz remote uses full proportional control, allowing you to precisely adjust the throttle and steering instead of simply switching between full speed and stop. The control range can reach up to 200 meters, giving you plenty of space to race and maneuver. The remote also provides warnings when the battery is getting low or the boat is approaching its range limit, helping you bring it back safely. And here's where the Svertibo really stands out. It comes with two 7.4-volt, 1,500 mAh rechargeable batteries, providing more than 40 minutes of total playtime, according to the manufacturer. It's also ready to run straight out of the box, so there's no complicated assembly before hitting the water. Overall, the Svertibo TX725 earns our number 2 spot because it combines impressive speed, long battery life, precise controls, and reliable jet propulsion in one ready-to-run package. For anyone who wants more time racing and less time waiting for batteries to charge, this is a very strong option. Number 1. And taking the number 1 spot is something completely different from a traditional RC speedboat. The XMalNexity RC Kayak features a unique patented paddling propulsion system that uses a realistic rowing motion to move across the water. Instead of a conventional propeller, the paddles create a fun and unusual experience that immediately makes this RC kayak stand out. But the most impressive feature is its anti-capsize design. The patented balance structure is designed to keep the kayak stable, even during sharp turns and choppy water, making it a great option for beginners and casual RC enthusiasts. It also features high and low speed modes, giving you more control depending on where you're using it. The 2.4 GHz remote provides full function control with forward, reverse, and left and right steering, with a range of up to 30 meters. Safety has also been carefully considered. The water-activated switch only powers the motor when the kayak is actually in the water, helping prevent accidental dry running. And when the sun goes down, the built-in LED lighting creates an impressive visual effect across the water. At around 20 centimeters, its compact size makes it suitable for bathtubs, pools, and small ponds. Overall, the XMalNexity RC Kayak takes our number 1 spot because it offers something the other boats simply don't. A completely different paddling experience, combined with stability, safety, and eye-catching design. Want to see this RC kayak in action and find out if it's really worth buying? Watch the full review here on the channel, where we take a much closer look at its performance, features, and overall value. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.